Hi nail followers, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Just a quick note before I jump into it, because I'm sure there are going to be some haters out there. Yes, my nails have gone really short. I have cut them back because I'm doing a trial for a company for some nail growth polishes. Now, to be honest, I don't really believe in these polishes, but I said I would cut my nails back as short as I could and to see how I get on with them. But on to today's video, we have some new polishes, so I thought I would swatch them for you guys here. I'm sure many of you got some polishes over the Christmas. These are some that I got. I have never had any Cupcake polishes before, neither have I had the I Love Nail polish brand either, so I just want to jump into them and see what you guys think. So straight off the bat, the I Love Nail polishes are 12 mils. The Cupcake polish ones are 15, which is quite a good size, because if you have a look, say the picture polishes, these are how much? These are 11. The different dimension polishes, they are 15. But if you have a look at maybe the caption polishes by Young Nails, they are only 10. So they're all kind of in the range of what they should be. Firstly, what I like about the I Love Nail polishes is they come in a little box. However, I always throw the boxes. Some people store theirs in the box. Look at my box, isn't it lovely? No innuendos there. Yeah, so we'll take them out of the box so you can have a look. So taking them out of their packaging, initially my reaction is I love the caps on them. They're kind of rubbery, they're nice to hold and grip. So the colours I got, yes, more purples. We have Dreaming in Violet. Now these are all kind of holographic. I love hollows. I absolutely love hollows. Anyhow, we have Dreaming in Violet, Kings and Queens, Ava and Aria. So I will swatch these four for you. So the first one we're going to do is that Dreaming in Violet, and actually the first thing I notice is the handle, and not only are they kind of a rubbery feeling, but they're nice and long. The brush is nice and thick. I'm not mad on really skinny brushes. I know that Cupcake polish ones are quite skinny, but that is one coat. If my camera will pick up, because of the hollow, sometimes it's hard to pick up hollow. Like, one coat is good to go with this. Wow, love that. So next up we have Kings and Queens. Now I will give all of these a second coat very quickly as well. I can notice straight away that this one is much more hollow. We have a hair. And again, one coat, and that is fab. So the next one is Ava. This one is much more transparent. I would say a 2 to 3 coater. This one has hollow glitter particles, as in they're more chunky than the other ones. So now we'll do the first coat of that lovely blue, and that's called Aria. We will quickly do the second coat on this, and then back to Dreaming with Violet. Back to Kings and Queens. and Ava. and Aria. Now I think this one might be my favourite in the collection of the I Love nail polishes. It really is gorgeous. The camera can't even pick up the linear hollow on that. Is amazing. I love it. And here we have the final four. So we have Dreaming in Violet, Kings and Queens, Ava, which I gave another 2 coats to offline. Really, who has time for 4 coats polish? So I don't know how many times I'll be using that one. And we have my favourite there, which is Aria. And these are just absolutely stunning. I love this one, Kings and Queens. And this one is just, will be on my nails next, most definitely. So let's jump into the Cupcake Polish ones. So the first one is called Crazy Mod Love. And straight off the back, I noticed that the brush on these are quite thin. This is the light isn't doing this justice. This is like a Barbie type neon linear hollow. It's stunning. 1 coat is perfect as well, just like those LNPs, apart from the Ava one. So the next one we are going to do is this purple one, and it's called Deduction, and it is also a hollow, of course. Now it also has some chunky glitters in it too. I'm not sure if you can see the chunkies, but they are definitely there. Stunning. So next we're going to move on to this blue, and this is called Suitor on a Scooter. The names are crazy. Gorgeous blue. This might be even nicer than that Aria one. Definite hollow there. Look at the linear hollow on that. So let's move on to that berry colour, and that one is here. It's purpley berry colour, and it's called Berry Good Looking. Wow. Casey's didn't realise purple's my favourite colour, and this is not a berry. This is a purple. These are all 1 coat wonders, guys. Can't fault that now, can you really? So our last one is like a navy hollow, and it's called Bachelor Pad. Now these were all purchased from Hypnotic Polish, and you can see the hollow in them. I will leave that link below from Hypnotics so you can get your hands on these amazing polishes. The light, I wish the light would do the linear justice. It's just a crappy camera light, guys. I'm so sorry. We'll just run through the colours. Off camera I have given these all a second coat, however they did not need them at all. This one here, the navy, is called Bachelor Pad. Very Good Looking, which is not a berry pink, although it looks like a berry pink. This is purple to me, definitely. And then we have this lovely blue called Suitor on a Scooter, and we have the last one here, which is, no, sorry, we have C Deduction, and then we have the last one, which is that amazing pink, which is called Crazy Mod Love. So that is the 5 cupcake polishes. So here they all are together, and honestly I could not be happier with my new polishes. So if you want to get your hands on any of these, as I said, I will leave a link below in the comments description. If I can, I'll put one up here, but I'm not sure if I'm able to link a website there. But until the next time guys, stay safe, we'll see you soon, bye.